Friends, welcome to my channel, Manda Educator. From tomorrow, ICSE 2025 is starting. All the best. I hope whatever hard work you all have done, it is going to pay off in the examination. Tomorrow, you have important day of your life. Board exams ICSE 2025 are starting. First day English paper, 18th of February. You must be having mixed kind of feeling excited as well as feeling little bit of nervous. This video will help you to build up your confidence. ये आप लोगों को हेल्प करेगा कि कैसे आप स्ट्रेस फ्री होकर एग्जाम दे सकते हो. बस छोटे छोटे टिप्स को फॉलो करना है और कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट बातों का टेक केयर करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, डोंट डू दीज मिस्टेक्स. What you must not forget to carry some of the essentials during the examination. वो चीज़ें क्या क्या हैं? सबसे पहली and foremost, admit card. Every day you have to carry your valid admit card. Better you can take a Xerox copy if it is allowed. Otherwise you have to take the original. You have to carry the original admit card every day. Carry a transparent cardboard writing board. It will help you to write smoothly. A transparent water bottle so that you don't have to waste your valuable time going out and drinking water if required in emergency. Next, you must carry at least 2 ball pens, either blue or black. What happens, students? Sometimes suppose if you have 2 different brand or 2 different kind of pens, one ball pen and one gel pen. You are writing with ball pen, suddenly the ink finished. Then you started writing with another pen which is a gel pen. So it creates a confusion. So better to carry 2 same types of ball pens, either blue or black. Don't carry one, carry 2. Pencil, eraser, sharpener, ruler. Better to carry the full geometry box. Pencil always helps to draw the diagram. The washroom tip. You must be understanding what is washroom tip. You people will be appearing either 2 hours examination paper or some papers are of 3 hours also. So make sure that before examination only you visit the washroom so that in between you don't waste your valuable time to go in emergency out for washroom. For that, one valuable tip, just before the examination, don't drink too much water. Now comes one of the most important thing, timings. You have to take care of timing. 2 से 3 घंटे में एग्जामिनेशन खत्म करने का लिखने का टाइम है, लेकिन टाइम से स्कूल पहुंचना, क्लास में एंटर करना, ऑल दीज आर ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ICSE 2025 नॉर्मल ईयर की तरह स्टार्ट होता है 11 बजे, 11 o'clock, 11 AM. ट्राई योर बेस्ट कि आप लोग स्कूल पहुंच जाओ 10 बजे तक. 10:30 में एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में एंट्री होती है. एंटर इन हॉल एट 10:30. मेक श्योर 10:30 के ही आप एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के पास हो, गेट पे हो. फिर जब आपकी एंट्री होगी, फर्स्ट डे कल जब इंग्लिश एग्जाम होगा 18th को, the invigilator and examiner they will be reading all the important instructions, do's and don'ts. Please listen it carefully and follow them throughout your examination properly. उनको ध्यान से सुनना है. By 10:45 आपको अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर मिलेगा. फिर फर्स्ट 15 मिनट्स क्वेश्चन को पढ़ने के लिए दिए जाते हैं. 15 minutes are very important for you. Read the questions properly. Don't just look here and there, but focus on the question paper and focus more on the questions whose answers you know properly, you are confident. Mark them so that you will start with those questions only whose answers you know properly. You have the answers in your mind. So that is the time management. Reach school at 10, be at hall gate at 10:30, 10:45 you'll get the question paper. 15 minutes, very important, read the question paper properly and make a plan how you are going to write. I mean to say which questions answers you are going to start with and so on. Then you will get your answer sheet. One of the very important thing you must take care. As soon as you get the answer sheet, according to the instructions given by the invigilator and examiner, fill all the informations, correct spelling, name, your unique ID or roll number, if name is required, name, unique ID, roll number, or whatever instruction has been given to fill. After filling it, check it carefully that you have filled it properly as per your admit card or as per the instructions given by the invigilator. That is a very, very important thing you must take care. Every examination hall on some comfortable, easily visible place, a wall clock is mounted. Big wall clock, so that students can check the time. My advice, if you are comfortable, you should carry your wristwatch, but make sure that it should not be a smartwatch. In order to becoming too much smart, you might be in trouble. So smartwatches strictly are not allowed in ICS examination. So if you want to carry your watch, it should be normal wristwatch. Take care of that. A useful tip. Mobile phones strictly not allowed inside the examination hall. So when you enter, just before that, it will be a good idea to check your pockets, coat pockets, that by mistake, if mobile phone is there in the pocket, you should give it to the examiner, or you should keep it outside your bag where you have kept your bag. So be careful that mobile phones are not allowed at all. Students, from this year it is mandatory that every examination hall is fitted with CCTV cameras. So it will not only watch the candidates, it will watch all the invigilators as well as examiners. So be alert. Don't try to engage into any unwanted activity or unfair mean. It will help you. And after you have written the answers in stipulated time, before submitting the paper, again it's the time that you should be alert. You should recheck that if required informations, name, roll number, unique ID, anything, you have filled it correctly or not. If you have used supplementary sheets, how many sheets, numbering and all, you have filled it or not. All the supplementary sheets, map or any extra thing which is instructed to be tied up, you have tied it or not, you have tied it properly or not. All these things you must check before handing your paper to the invigilators or examiner. Sometimes taking precaution at the right moment helps a lot. ये आपका पहला एग्जाम नहीं है और ना ही ये आपका आखिरी एग्जाम होने वाला है. You have already written so many exams in your life before appearing board from tomorrow. एग्जाम के बाद कोई बर्डन उस एग्ज़ाम का नहीं लेना है, रिलैक्स होना है, घर आना है, बहुत ज़्यादा उसके आंसर्स को इधर उधर डिस्कस नहीं करना है और सीधे सीधे नेक्स्ट एग्जामिनेशन के लिए मेंटली अपने आप को प्रिपेयर करना है. यू शुड बी taking care of the examination just for that day. After that day, you should not take burden of that paper, but positively think about the next day's paper. Last but not the least, try to attempt all the questions which you are supposed to attempt. Suppose some question which you are not knowing the answers or you are completely blank, still try to think something, some keyword, something related to that topic which is asked in the question. Might be some keywords if you write. Obviously you won't get 0. Obviously any positive marks is better than 0. So with this, all the best. Do your examinations well. All the best to all the ICSE students who are appearing for their board from tomorrow, for English paper especially. Keep watching the videos for some other valuable tips regarding different subjects and other preparation, students' preparation for different activities. Thank you.